Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Today, we would like to throw some light on Bitcoin, and you know that as I speak, that there is a great hype about the Bitcoin that it might be crossing 21,000 very soon. Only the time will tell whether the Bitcoin would be able to cross 21,000 or not. But before we should see Bitcoin from different angle. Number one, Bitcoin started as a cryptocurrency, basically a non-paper currency, digitized currency. And standing today, there are many central banks of the globe, just like Singapore and many in Europe, those who are trying hard to be in the Bitcoin, but time will tell whether they would be able to or not. Many people believe that when the economy is booming, then Bitcoin will fall. I will refer B as Bitcoin. It is also said that in such scenarios, the gold is also fall, G for gold. Many people believe they believe that also when the economy is in recession, then Bitcoin will go up. I term this as B, and gold will definitely gold up. So this school of thought, basically, I'm not saying whether they are right or wrong. They believe that Bitcoin and gold having perfect correlation with each other. But I would like to request you, please go to Reuters or any other platform which is available in public domain and try and compute the valuation or basically the correlation between Bitcoin and gold. You will get to know that till what extent this is correct. You will get the hard reality of it that most of the times the correlation between Bitcoin and the gold do not works. And this correlation is slowly losing that too at a faster pace. Now what happened previously, how it used to happen that previously, we were having institutions, we were having retail people, and many and very small venture capitalists to private equity people used to invest. So around, I would say 8% institutions, around 92% retail people, or you can say 90% retail people, and around 2% of VC and PE used to invest. So they used to predict, they used to move the Bitcoin and of course the economic situation also. But now the scene is completely different, and the scene right now is that I have already shot a video in that regards. Now it is 90% institutions, and I'm saying retail is only influencing around 2%, not more, and venture capitalists and private equity players are around between 8 to 10%. This is called institutionalization of Bitcoin. Now, what is the basic issue behind that? I would like to explain to you. The basic issue is that now there is a lobby. This lobby is of institutions. And I'm not quoting any name, but we know that majority of these institutions work in Asia Pacific region. Now they work in Asia Pacific region, and they are throwing a huge amount of money in Bitcoin. End result, Bitcoin going up, and now people have started talking that it is going to touch 21K soon. And those who are talking like that, they do not know how to trade in the Bitcoin futures. This is the Reuters rig of Bitcoin. This is the Reuters rig of Bitcoin futures. You can see that. Now, the point is that as Bitcoin is going higher and higher, there are certain issues that are coming up with the Bitcoin. And what are these issues? This is my duty to let you know. Now, what issue is that? What would if Bitcoin will turn 21K? But let me highlight this issue in a little different way on another page, which is like this. Now, this is a lobby. I will use small diagram this time. This lobby pushed Bitcoins from 9K till almost 20K, which means that they got a profit of around 11K per coin, $11,000 per coin. Standing today, no one in the whole world is exactly aware of the fact that how much money is being pumped, because no one is aware. Since no one is aware how much money is pumped, but one thing which is sure is that billions of dollars is being pumped in Bitcoin, because it is not easy to push the Bitcoin from 9K to 20K. Now what happens? The retail investors are now joining the lobby. Now what retail people are thinking? Hey guys, what would if go to 22, then 23, then 24? So they are joining this lobby and they are pumping more money. Probable forecast is that Bitcoin might be touching 22K per coin by February or by March. But what are the different scenarios in that? The first scenario is that, and which you need to understand carefully, the first scenario is that this lobby, this lobby will continue to have Bitcoin as 22K, probably till 25K, and maybe 30K, maybe more than that. Because no one is really aware of the fact that what exactly is the mindset of this lobby. So they will continue to have this trend. We know that vaccine is here, but there are few issues we have with the vaccine, and these issues are in public domain, so we can see these issues very, very carefully. Another thing is that this lobby will take Bitcoin to 25K, 22K, and then there are a variety of reasons behind that. Number one is definitely the vaccine. Number two is definitely, all governments are trying to have different stimulus programs. Number three, more or less it is clear that Joe Biden is coming up as a president of United States of America. Number four, and very important thing is that, basically the Chinese factor is slowly relenting. But that doesn't mean that after Joe Biden, it will also relent. That is more important thing. So guys, all the people, those who are investing in the Bitcoin, I'm not saying that you should not invest in Bitcoin. That is definitely your call. If you wish, please go ahead. If you wish, do not go ahead. But please understand that keep a very strict stop loss. I understand that Bitcoin was 9K. This institutionalization has taken this to 20K. But remember that this lobby has invested a very, very huge amount of money in the system. And one day or not, this lobby will definitely do the profit booking. Because profit booking is mandatory everywhere. If you're investing money, you have to do the profit booking. Now, before you just go with the hype, remember that these are following factors which are important. Vaccine, stimulus program, Joe Biden is now more or less final, and fourth and last is the Chinese factor. Hey guys, please remember that these 4 issues can be very important in the future course of time. I don't know at what point you have invested in Bitcoin and at what point you would be selling the Bitcoin, but remember that these things are really very important before you go ahead, and just don't be blindly, just keep long. There are various occasions on which the curve might be like that. So I hope you understand what we wanted to convey, and in case you have any questions, you can definitely WhatsApp us at 919818485155. You're welcome to connect with us regarding our video training, Sheetal Academy, about our TRFX program, about our research desk, and so many things. That is, but please be careful as far as this rally is going on, because at any given point of time, anything can happen. I hope people are getting my point. Have a great time, guys. Thank you.